Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be board number 6 from the free ebooks originally available on the Old World Xiangqi Federation website. So to begin, a short analysis as usual. Red would have 2 cannons, 1 chariot, a single advisor guard. Black would have 2 chariots, 1 pawn, a full guard. Now it will be Red's turn to move. Positionally wise, Red had 1 cannon already attacking the bottom rank. The chariot was on the 7th pile, preparing to attack. Now, if Black were allowed to move first, he could move his king out to safety, and Black would be in all sorts of trouble. So how should Red move? Obviously, Red would attack with R7 plus 1. Now this would place Black in a dilemma. In the main board, Red would play R4 minus 5, otherwise he would lose his chariot. For example, if let's say he treated the advisor, Red would play R7 minus 5, and Black would lose the chariot and the game. But this might have been the better move to make. Now, since Red tried to cut down on his losses by retreating his chariot, Red will now play C2 equals to 9, preparing to advance to the bottom rank. Let's say Black retreated the elephant, hoping to trade material. If the chariot moved, Black will also move if the chariot moved, Black would capture the cannon. Now if the cannon captured the chariot, Red would play E5 minus 3 for trade of material, and the remaining chariot and pawn Black would have a winning position. So at this point in time, Red would not have anything to fear, but instead continue to advance his cannon to the bottom rank, thus gaining a winning position. If Black captured the chariot, Red would deliver a checkmate in this manner, because the king cannot move out. If the Black chariot captured this red cannon, this cannon would now be delivering a check. So this would be a checkmate. Now if Black tried to move his king to safety, Red would use his chariot to capture the Black chariot and gain a winning position, because now Red would have 2 cannons more than Black's chariot, and this would the material advantage would be too much for Black to handle. So this short example was given in the book. Red delivers a check, preparing to capture the Black chariot with a discovered attack. Now if Black moved the advisor, if Black moved, this will be a check. So if Black lose the chariot, tries to get compensation, but it will be too late, because Red will now play C2 equals to 9. Again, if Black tried to move the advisor, Black would play this, make this move, and Black will lose the chariot and the game. So Black tries to trade chariots. C9 equals to 5, C9 plus 5, and Red will gain a winning position. If the cannon captured, this will be a checkmate. If not, Red will capture the Black chariot for winning position. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you like the work I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.